Hello. I am Tennyson. Depression is a lot more than unhappiness and sadness. It is a matrix of negative emotions, which may include any or all of the following: loneliness, worthlessness, hopelessness, despair, regret, anxiousness, anger, guilt, shame, self-loathing, of course unhappiness and sadness, and more. Around 80% of people who suffer from depression also suffer from anxiety. There are also correlations between insomnia and anxiety and depression. Grief and bereavement are a normal reaction for us, including pets. It will normally dissolve away in a few weeks or months. If it continues, grief may need treatment to resolve it. Almost everyone experiences anxiety and depression from time to time and often at the same time. However, clinical depression and anxiety are less common. They can usually be successfully treated with appropriate lifestyle changes, balanced nutrition, exercise, psychotherapy. To feel persistent worry and stress about nothing in particular may indicate an anxiety disorder. Anxiety can exist at different levels, ranging from concern and worry through to stress and anxiety, and in extreme cases anxiety attacks and panic attacks. Sometimes people attempt to self-medicate with alcohol and other drugs in a futile attempt to overcome the problem. They usually only make matters worse for themselves and everyone around them. Fear and anxiety symptoms can often be temporarily treated with drugs, such as the commonly prescribed benzodiazepines, which include Valium, diazepam, Xanax, alprazolam, Klonopin, clonazepam, and Ativan, lorazepam. However, the side effects can cause severe problems, such as drowsiness and addiction. I have had clients come to me who have been prescribed these drugs by their doctors to treat their depression or anxiety. They have found through years of suffering that these drug therapies only treat the symptoms, and not the cause. They are only coping mechanisms and never overcome the problem. The risks of addiction to anti-anxiety drugs, such as Valium, is very real. No benzodiazepine medication can be considered safe for all people. It is important to review all of your medications with your prescribing doctor from time to time. It is never a good idea to quit any medication without first consulting a doctor. You do not need to live with anxiety and depression any longer. Treatment is fast and effective at www.peterzaffella.com and internethypnosis.shop. Imagine you could be helping other people who are suffering, just by clicking the like button. Perhaps your friends need help. They could potentially change their lives for the better as you click the share button now. Do it for them. You can keep up to date with all our new videos, from internethypnosis.shop as they are added. We would really appreciate your subscription by clicking on the subscription button now. Thank you for watching another video from www.internethypnosis.shop.